My dear all, I'm starting MCQ here through this video. Chapter is Lost Spring of class 12th, and it is very important for you also. Now, first question is, what does the writer try to depict in the lesson Lost Spring? Answer is correct. Answer is B, Lost Childhood. Next question is, where have Sahab's parents come from? Where have Sahab's parents come from? Actually, uh, have come from Bangladesh. Now, so answer is correct answer. Now, next is, who says this? I have nothing else to do. I repeat again. I have nothing else to do. Shahid. He told. Now, fourth number is, what does Mukesh want to become? What does Mukesh want to become? Motor mechanic. Correct answer is B. Now, fifth number is, where has Sahab started working? At a restaurant, milk dairy, tea stall, shoe factory. Correct answer is which stall? Now, sixth number is, I will learn to drive a car. I will learn to drive a car. He answers, looking straight into my eyes. What trait of Mukesh is exhibited in the above sentence? Determined, confused, hesitant, curious. Correct answer is determined. Now, seventh number is, what does Sahab Alam mean? Prince of the universe, princess of the universe, Lord of the universe, Queen of the universe. Correct answer is Lord of the universe. Now, eighth number, what two distinct worlds does the author see in the lives of Maker? Bengal makers. First is policeman. Now, correct answer is saukars, middlemen, poor people, influential people. Okay. Now, nine number is, what is the probable reason for children remaining barefoot? Option, there are four options: lack of money, a tradition to remain barefoot, physical illness, perpetual state of poverty. Correct answer is D number, perpetual state of poverty. Tenth number question is, I wonder if she knows the sanctity of the bangles she helps make. The underlined phrase symbolizes richness, auspiciousness in marriage, making bangles in a good job. The job provides good profit. Correct answer is B number, auspiciousness in marriage. Now, this is as a hand move mechanically, like the tongues of a machine. I wonder if I wonder if she knows the sanctity of the bangles she helps. It is actually here need space, bangles, and she helps make. Now, identify the literacy device used in the sentence. A smile, metaphor, contrast, alliteration. Correct answer is A smile. Now, 12th number is the, wait, I am talking about this. Statement is not clear. Yes. The still chemistry seems never than the plastic bag he would carry slightly cover his shoulder. Identify the literacy device used in the sentence. Correct answer is contrast. Now, 13 number is, for the children, it is the wrapped in wonder. For the elder, it is a means of survival. What do the parents expect from their children to bring from the garbage dumps? There are four options: left our food, money, silver coins, items valuable for them. Correct answer is items valuable for them. 15 number is Shimapuri, a place on the periphery of Delhi, 8 miles away from it metaphorically. What is the tone of the writer? Mocking, angry, sad, happy. Correct answer is mocking. थैंक यू सो मच। होप कि आप उसे अच्छे से लर्न करोगे, आपके लिए बहुत ही हेल्पफुल होगा। थैंक यू।